Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the backup settings on your TP-LINK Deco X50. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to More, and here we need to scroll all the way down to System. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to download the app and how to set everything up. So if you do not have an app or these functions, then there's tutorials on our channel. And now what we can do is we can go to backup right at the bottom here. And here we can enable auto backup. And here we need to agree and enable backup. And it won't enable for me because I'm not connected to the internet right now. But here, as you guys can see, it's enabled. Now here we can click on backup now and it will automatically start backing everything up. So like our settings and our data. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.